How to use Jobber for beginners. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Jobber in 2025. It will be very perfect for beginners if you run a service-based business, manage a team, or just want to streamline operation. This one is for you. Now, if you don't know what is Jobber, so Jobber is a all-in-one business management software and it is designed for service-based industries like landscaping, cleaning, plumbing and more. It helps you to manage everything from scheduling to dispatching, invoicing, client communication and payments all from one central platform. Now, in this video, we will learn how you can create a Jobber account, set up your business profile, and navigate the dashboard. And we will manage jobs, clients, and payments, and much more. So, let's get started. First thing first, what you have to do is head over to jobber.com to create an account. After coming on this website, in the top right, you will get to see there is an option of start free trial. Just simply click on it, and they will give you three options to sign up: the email, then Google, and then Apple. I will choose Google. If you have an email, just enter an email and then add a password and click on the start free trial. After adding your email and password or connecting with your Google, you will be asked some personal questions. You have to give the answer. After giving all the answer, you will be landed on this kind of dashboard where you can see in the left side there are some navigation bars and sections. In the center we have some instruction and to dos which we have to manage. So let's understand the dashboard of Jobber so you can easily navigate. Now, in the first, we have home. This is your command center. From here, you can share shows your daily tasks, reminders, and quick links. For example, you can to-do list like add logos, create cards, and welcome videos. You can get these kind of to-do list in the home. Now, the second option is okay, we have create. This is a quick action button to create anything instantly like client, request, quote, and job. Let's say you jump into creating a quote or if you want to create invoices instantly, just simply click on it and you will be redirected to invoice section. Now, this is a schedule. From here, you can drag and drop calendar view. You can organize appointment, assign team members, and track job. For example, you can view by day, week, and month to see teamwork. As you can see here, you can add new job, new task, and you can assign anyone that. Now let's move to the fourth or next section, which is in the first we have clients. Clients, from here you can manage client management hub. From here you can store and search client information, job history, and communication records. For example, you can click end to end client to see all their past job and invoices if you have added any client over here or worked with them. Now let's move to request. This is where you client services requests are received. For example, you can capture and manage inbound job lead over here. You can automatically turn request into quotes or jobs. Now let's move to quotes. This is quotes. Now let's move to jobs. From here, you can manage your service. This is where you can manage your jobs. You can send professional services codes with pricing and terms. For example, you can client can approve codes online through their portal or whatever. And then if we have jobs, over here you can mark as a job schedule in progress and completed. Now let's move to invoices. From here, you can manage billing and payment. Over here, you can create and send track invoices. For example, you can see which invoice are paid and which are pending and which are overdue. So you can manage your payments. Now let's move to another section, which is this one. In the this section, we have marketing tab. From here, you can see tools to grow your businesses. For example, you can promote services, ask for review, or send campaign. For example, you can use email templates to reach past clients with the promotions. Now we have like in the marketing here, you have campaigns, referrals, and websites, and this is inside. Now, in the inside, here you can see analytics and reports. From here, you can understand revenue, job trends, and staff performance. And for example, you can run a report to see top performing services from here. Now, in the inside, we have report. As you can see, I have explained. Now let's move to expense. Now, for this is you can track business spending. For example, the purpose of this is you can record expenses to manage profitability. And for example, you can add recipient and categorize expenses by type. So you get the expenses idea. Now, this is the timesheet. From here, you can see employees' time tracking. For example, from here, you can track log hours per team members. For example, you can verify hours work on each job site, how much your members have work on this specific task or specific uh, thing. You can see that. Let's move to community or apps. So from here, this is where you can integrate and extension. For example, you can connect tools like QuickBooks, Zapier, or Stripe. You can sync invoice data directly to your accounting software. Now, this is a basic overview of your dashboard, as you can see here in the left side. Now, let's move to another section. Now, let's add clients and manage clients, one of the most important part of your business. Now, to add new clients, simply click on this create button over here and click on this client. And now over here, your new client form will open here. You have to enter first name, then last name, then company name, the communication. In the communication, you have to enter the phone number and then email address. If you want to do some additional client details, you can add that too. Now, if you want to add property address of that region, you can use as well. Now, uh, once you save, you will be taken to their client page. This is your hub for everything related to the customer, codes, job, invoices, payments, and even note or communication history. From the clients tab on the left menu, on the left, you can see there is the option of clients. From here, you can filter out and see how about your clients. You can search about your client. This is all details related to your clients. We have new lead over here, which is our first clients. And as you can see here, which we have just added our first client. You can filter clients, you can use a search bar as well. Basically, you can organize your client information in jobbers. It helps you to respond faster, stay professional, and keep your work flowing without missing a beat. Starting from client request to code and then to a scheduled job. Now, to begin, go to request. In the left side, you will get to see there is an option of request. Just simply click on it. And here you will have to enter details about what the client needs, like type of service you are offering, preferred dates, and all of those things. Just simply click on the request. It will open the tab of request. If you open this request tab, you will get to see in the right side in the top, there is an option of new request. Click on it and it will pop up something. Now over here you have to enter the title. Now for example, I will just simply enter the request test. Now then you have to select the client. Right now which we have created, I will simply choose that. And then you have to enter the service detail over here. Now please enter the detail of of your services. Then you have to add your availability. If you are available from 7, just choose where which day would you best for assignment of the work. Then you have to choose what is another day work for you. Then choose the date. Then what are you preferred arrival time? It's anytime. Then you can choose on-site assignment. You can add document or related to that. If you want to add some notes, you can add that too. Just simply click on the save request. So this is how you can create a request. Now, once the request is reviewed by the client, you can convert into code by just simply clicking on these three dots in the more and click on this convert to code. Click on it. From here, you can choose create your first template or you can just simply click on the create new code. I will choose create new code. Now in this you have to add line item over, then you have to set pricing, and then you have to include any disclaimer or terms and condition related to your products. So I will go just simply add item over here. As we go, free assignment, I will choose this one, and then give set a price over here. let's say let's say if you want to add something over here, test product name, then set a unit per price, then 10, it is 1000 rupees total. The quantity of this product is 4. You can add picture over here as well. Let's skip this, click on the skip. Now if you want to add section, you can click on this add section and you can create a section like attachment, images and reviews. So let's add some product over here. The one unit cost is 10,000 and we have the final cut. Now if you want to add discount over here, just simply click on the discount, then you can give whatever discount you want to give, you can give it. Now right now if you want to add tax over here, just simply click on the create tax rate, you can create it from here. Now if you want to add contract disclaimer, you can add from here as well. Now once everything is done, you can send this code directly via email through job or client portal or where your customer approve it online. Just simply click on this save and send as email or send as a convert to job. This step helps you to ensure both parties are aligned on cost and scope before the work begins. Now, you can send it via email, as I said. Now, once client approve the quotation and convert, you can convert to a job from here as well. To convert, just simply click on this convert to job, or you can go into job section where you have to create a new job. Now please correct the errors below. Line item required name over here. So okay, I have to give a name. uh just simply I will use this one, and then save. Now let's move to job section where we are going to create a job over here. Click on the job. From here you can create job. The job now appears in your uh, after creating a job, the job will appear in your calendar. So over here click on the job, new job, give the job title job test title, and then give some instruction over here. Then over here on the off job, a recurring job, you have to choose the type. Then from here you can schedule job, start date to end date or times. You can give a start time and end time as well. If you have a team, you can assign that job to a specific team from here. Let's say if you want a remind me to invoice when I close this job, so whenever you close this job, the invoice reminder will be occur in front of you. From here you can add line item, or you can add new line item into your product. Right now I will not do that. Click on the delete. If you want to add, just simply click on this new line item. So what I'm going to do is start date and choose the end date, which is now I'm going to give a start time is around 8 a.m. 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. So this is how our job looks like. Now click on the select client. You have to select client, then choose it and save and share. You can create another one or you can email booking confirmation. So what I will do, I will just simply click on the email booking confirmation. The jobs now appear in your calendar and it's ready for dispatch. Jobber also notifies your team with all the necessary details. These three steps workflow like request, code, job keeps everything streamlined and clear and fully trackable from start to finish. So this is the advantage of this jobber. You can create workflows if it's seamlessly. You have invoices over here as well. Now let's say if you want to create marketing, let's wait for a few seconds. Wait. Now let's move to our next section, which is this marketing and insight. Let's explore these tabs. To make smart business decisions, you need to understand your numbers. So what you have to do, head over to this Insight tab. Now, here you can track your revenue, job status, and team performance or any time period. You can use filters to break down by services type, employees, or clients. Now, for example, see how much you made this month, how many jobs are pending, and how much technical close the most work. From here, you can see we have new lead, which is new request. First, new request, we have send as zero codes, new honors job, and new recurring job. Right now, we haven't created anything, so we are not going to see this kind of interface over here. Now, Jobber helps you to keep clients engaged with email campaigns, like referral links and review requests as well. Whether you are promoting seasonal services or asking for feedback, it's all built in. You can use it marketing tab for that. Uh, let's move to there. To boost efficiently, Jobbers offer automation AI tools as well. Now let's see how you can create this. So this is you have to upgrade for marketing to do your campaigning. Now I will not into that. So yeah, this is how you can use a Jobber for your services. So if you want to integrate some third party apps, you can just simply click on this app over here. From here, you can integrate third party apps like Zapier, Company Cam to make your workflow more easy and more uh, intuitive. Now, that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. So thanks for watching. We have successfully created an account on Jobber. Then we have created clients. Then we have created requests, then codes, and we have successfully added job into a list. So we have explored a lot of things into this video as a beginner. I hope you understand each and everything. If you don't understand, just simply comment it down. I will try to give you a reply. So, thanks for watching.